Bitcoin dips below $71,000. Ether stays above $3,800. Bitcoin ETFs notched nearly $500 million in flows despite low search interest. McDonald's Metaverse debuts in Singapore. Stand with CryptoPack hits 1 million advocates. Binance unveils IO launch pool for AI and cloud revolution. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading mixed, buoyed by growing expectations of US interest rate cuts as weak economic readings continued to trickle in and a resurgence in inflows to spot BTC ETFs. While Bitcoin, the largest crypto by market cap, was trading near $70,000 levels. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how global crypto market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 0.3% at 91,220 points. Well, a mix of profit-taking, concerns over high interest rates and cooling optimism over Bitcoin ETFs in recent months had kept Bitcoin in a trading range after the token surged to record highs in early March. But interest in crypto now appeared to be picking up, especially with the prospect of lower interest rates this year. This trend also buoyed broader crypto prices as capital flows into the space picked up over the past month. The launch of spot Bitcoin ETFs in Australia also pointed to more capital inflows in the near term. A decline in the dollar this week also aided crypto markets. Interestingly, Hex Trust Group, a provider of digital asset solutions for institutional finance, has secured its second virtual asset service provider license from the Virtual Asset Regulatory Authority in Dubai. The license extends to its VA broker-dealer and VA management and investment arm, HT Markets MENA FZE. Meanwhile, investment firm VanEck recently released a report predicting Ethereum's price to reach $22,000 per token by 2030. That's a significant jump from its current price around $3,850. The global investment firm stated in a recent report that Ethereum's disruptive power and cash flow generated for token holders will cause Ether to soar to that lofty level. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $2.64 trillion mark, increasing 0.2% in the last 24 hours. The total trading volume decreased by 17% to $77 billion. Perhaps the most notable gainer today from the large cap alts in Binance Coin. After months of being on the sidelines and away from the meme coin mania, BNB jumped by nearly $100 in the past day and registered a fresh all-time high of $715 earlier today, closing down the gap to Tether in their battle for the third largest cryptocurrency. Moreover, Tether, the digital asset company behind the USDT stablecoin, has announced a strategic investment of $18.75 million in XREX Group and the launch of a new stablecoin, XAU1. The collaboration aims to improve cross-border business-to-business payments and innovate the digital asset industry and regulatory technology. Moving on, the Paris update of the Tezos protocol aims to improve network speed and scalability, ensuring low transaction fees across Etherlink and EVM-compatible L2 network. Etherlink is now cheaper than Arbitrum and Optimism, offering an improved user experience. US stock futures were trading mixed after the S&P 500 notched a new record closing high thanks to a rally in artificial intelligence chip darling Nvidia. Futures tied to the S&P 500 rose while Nasdaq 100 futures traded flat. Futures connected to the Dow Jones Industrial Average traded lower. Bitcoin was trading at $70,975, down 0.1%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 1.4%, trading at $3,850. Solana as well was down 0.3% and was trading at $173. Cardano's ADA token was down by 0.5% to trade at $0.45. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 0.6% at $0.16. Shiba Inu was trading down by 1.5%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.52, down by 0.8%. Polkadot was down by 0.2% to trade at $7.2. However, BNB was up by 1.3% to trade at $704. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $36.7, higher 1%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 0.2% to trade at $0.71.
Thanks, Ruchi, and now back to the headlines. United States-based spot Bitcoin ETF saw a collective inflows of $488.1 million on June 5, but Google data shows hardly anyone is searching for them compared to 2021's bull run, a bullish sign that retail investors have not arrived yet. The ETFs recorded their second best inflow day of $886.6 million on June 4. The next day achieved around half that number, with the Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund accounting for the largest share of inflows at $220.6 million, Farside Investors data shows. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust was second with $155.4 million, and even the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, which has seen net outflows exceed $17.8 billion since Jan, saw $14.6 million in net inflows. American fast food chain McDonald's launched the My Happy Place Metaverse in Singapore, allowing locals to build virtual burgers and participate in other activities. McDonald's Singapore partnered with Bandwagon Labs, the metaverse arm of entertainment media tech company Bandwagon, to build the in-app virtual world for its customers. According to the announcement, McDonald's has full control over its in-app metaverse. The project will be live for a month from June 6 to July 7, and its success will determine future deployments or continuation of the services. The Stand with Crypto Alliance Political Action Committee, launched by Coinbase in 2023, recently announced that over 1 million Americans have signed on as advocates to make their voices heard in Washington, D.C. According to the pro-crypto PAC, 52 million Americans hold some form of crypto, and 87% of Americans surveyed believe the current financial system needs an overhaul. The Stand with Crypto also claimed that 45% of respondents would not vote for an anti-crypto candidate. Following the former President Trump's comments and support for the crypto industry, opponent Joe Biden's campaign reportedly reached out to industry players to request their input for the administration's future crypto policy. Binance is launching its 55th project on Binance Launch Pool.io.net, a cutting-edge decentralized AI and cloud computing platform. This platform promises to revolutionize the AI and cloud sectors by offering efficient and accessible decentralized solutions. Binance will be the first to list the IO token, with trading kicking off on June 11 at noon. This is a major milestone for IO.net and underscores Binance's commitment to supporting innovative projects in the crypto world. From June 7, Binance users can stake their BNB NFT USD into separate pools to farm IO tokens over 4 days. This farming period gives users early access to IO tokens and incentivizes participation in the IO.net ecosystem. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
Now let us have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list, we have Shiba Inu. Indian exchange Wazirex reported that Shiba Inu, a token, was the most traded on its platform in May, surpassing that of Bitcoin. This achievement has strengthened Shiba Inu's position in the Indian cryptocurrency industry and rekindled a hope in the community. The token also outperformed its competitors in the meme coin industry, including BOB, Pepe, and Floki. DogeCoin ranked below the Wazirex top 5 most traded cryptocurrencies for May. Next on the list, we have Notcoin. Notcoin has risen over 25% in the past 24 hours and outperformed Solana's trading volume. Notcoin remains one of the most talked about cryptos on the market, with spot trading volumes blowing past $2.1 billion in the last day, almost $200 million more than Solana during the same time span. The real hook of Notcoin is a play-to-earn game and a task that lets Telegram users earn actual crypto just for getting involved. Notcoin's bull run has come amid major crypto chaos, with President Biden's veto of a bill that would have overturned the SEC's crypto accounting rules known as AB 121. Despite the regulatory turmoil, Notcoin continues to soar, proving that investors are unfazed by the volatile market conditions. Next on the list, we have Tether. Tether, the digital asset company behind the USDT stablecoin, has announced a strategic investment of $18.7 million in XERX Group and the launch of new stablecoin XAU1. The collaboration aims to improve cross-border business-to-business payments and innovate the digital asset industry and regulatory technology. Tether CEO Paulo Ardoino stated that the partnership will spearhead several groundbreaking initiatives, including the launch of a unique new utilized stablecoin by the Unitas Foundation and the facilitation of USDT-based cross-border payments. XERX investment will also allow it to facilitate cross-border B2B payments that are regulatory compliant and USDT-based. Next on the list, we have Tezos. The Paris update of the Tezos protocol aims to improve network speed and scalability, ensuring a low transaction fees across Etherlink and EVM-compatible Layer 2 network. Etherlink is now cheaper than Arbitrum and Optimism, offering an improved user experience despite Etherlink's 500 millisecond transaction finality time. Arbitrum 1 and Optimism remains two of the largest Ethereum Layer 2s by TVL, worth $19.2 billion and $7.8 billion respectively. The upgrade introduces Tezos data availability layer to foster decentralized network participation and enable smart rollouts to scale to execute millions of TPS in the future. Next on the list, we have Taiko. South Korean cryptocurrency trading giant Upbit has announced plans to support the Ethereum Layer 2 Taiko, a crypto that gained popularity after Vitalik Buterin proposed its first block on the Ethereum mainnet. The exchange will introduce three new trading pairs: Bitcoin Taiko, Tether Taiko, and a South Korean won Taiko KRW. These pairs will be available for trading after 22:00 Korean time on June 5th.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.